Guys, what's up? It's Justin Marc, and right now I'm with one of my best friends,
Nick Dora.
And in this 3-part video series, we're going to talk about the 3 main steps on how to pick up girls effectively without being a fuckboy. How to pick up girls holistically. If you meet a girl at a party, at a bar, a club, in the mall, at the grocery store, wherever it is, how do you meet this woman, seduce her, and bring her into your life without it being this weird pickup thing? Without it being I'm gonna seduce this woman to get her pants. Maybe you actually like her. Maybe you actually want to have intimate relationships. Maybe you want a long-term partner. Maybe you want a long-term relationship. Or maybe you just want to play the field, be a young man having fun, meeting women, and doing your thing. Just like everyone should. Every man and woman should do that in their youth, right? And so how do you do this in a respectful, gentlemanly way without hurting anyone's feelings? Without misusing anyone's emotions or trust or anything negative. And how do you do this effectively? So over the next 3 videos, we're going to teach you this. Okay, part 1, we're going to talk about confidence. Okay, in part 2, we're specifically going to talk about building value and you being a high value human being. And then in part 3, we're going to talk about how to make others comfortable around you. So sit back, enjoy, and let's jump straight in.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Bro, right now, you're sitting at home, probably getting average results in your dating life. Probably getting average results in life in general. That's what everyone does. On average, everyone gets average results, right? If you want to have exceptional results, follow the advice in this 3-part video series. Follow the fucking advice, because I promise you, this has the potential to change your life forever. This has the potential to take you to another level. And this has the potential to lead you down a different life path that's going to allow you insane long-term success. So sit back, enjoy, talk to you soon.
Yeah. Since day one, I've been getting it. I'm spitting gibberish. I just spit the realest shit. That's why they can feel my shit. And I'm limitless, running like a business. I ain't leaving witnesses. I just keep on getting it. And they feeling it. I just keep on dealing it. Jackpot stealing it. Haven't hit the ceiling yet. It's the chronicle. Lick it like a popsicle. Everything is comical. Nothing left is logical. Yeah, biological. Maybe diabolical. They say psychological.
So guys, in this first video, the 3-part series, we're going to talk about confidence. So I'm out here with my best friend, Nick Dora. Nick is one of the best I've ever seen in the world at dating, pickup, and just getting killer results when it comes to dating. And I do pretty well for myself as well. And Nick, will you say that confidence, impeccable confidence, is like the #1 thing in order to achieve results with women, with dating, with success in general?
I fully agree. Whatever you feel like you're entitled to is essentially what you're going to get, okay, in terms of dating, all right? So people obviously get what they feel they're entitled to, all right? So if you feel like you deserve the bare minimum, you will get the bare minimum. If you feel like you deserve, the highest level possible girls, essentially you will get that in your life. So
it's pretty ridiculous how that works, actually. You get exactly what you're entitled to. And I'm a 5'4", 109-pound Indian man, right? And I'm still able to get crazy results. To be honest, I'm not trying to brag right now. I had sex with 3 women tonight. And it's because, we're having a little get-together, okay? And we're just having fun. And it's just when people see this delusional sense of self-confidence, but it's also an underlying tone of humbleness and just groundedness and just confidence. What happens? Well, people want to gravitate towards you. I didn't grow up like this. I grew up insecure, shy, anxious, awkward, right? All these weird things that were holding me back. And when I realized the true secret to success in dating, which is confidence, a word so important that I tattooed it on my forearm. Literally tattooed the word confidence on my arm, just because that's how important it is. Well, then I realized, wow, you can make whatever it is with your life. You can achieve anything you want. Any sort of career success, any sort of, dating success, anything you really want, you can do it by being confident, just by almost faking it till you make it. And so you can almost like just act confident until you are truly that person. Does that make sense? And so eventually, after pretending to be confident or pushing yourself out of your comfort zone to demonstrate confidence, right? You become that. Because think about it. When there's a cute girl at the bar, she might want you to go talk to her. But because you're not doing it, you're not stepping out of your comfort zone, right? She will never know. And so you need to actually generate that confidence from within. Generate that, just grow a pair of fucking balls, right? But that comes from like stepping out of your comfort zone, saying, okay, I'm feeling this awkward thing that I don't want to feel, and deciding to do it. And what's crazy is like, even after you've approached thousands of girls, approaching another girl could still just be just as difficult, as anxiety inducing. Very weird. And so that's what it requires. It requires confidence to step out of your comfort zone and go do it. Whether it's going on a cute Tinder date with a cute girl, whether it's meeting a new person. I hope that makes sense to you guys. You need to be confident. Like even right now, we're having, like, you guys can probably hear people in the background. We're having a little party kind of thing. And it's crazy because it's like a great ratio. Like tons of girls, really cool people, really good fucking vibes. And yeah, I hope there's not too much crazy background noise. Hello, everybody. What's up? Back to what we're talking about. Confidence, right? And so being confident, being someone who's confident, it can lead you to so many different successes, whatever that success is to you. Nick, what are your thoughts about that?
Yeah, honestly, people tend to manifest whatever they feel like they're entitled to, okay? So you notice a lot of people settling for mediocrity simply because that's all they think they can get, okay? But honestly, the truth is, you're not capped at like anything, all right? You impose these self-limitations simply because you believe that's all you can get, all right? So people settle for girls that they don't necessarily believe, that's their quality girl, but they're just scared of being lonely, all right? But the truth is, you can have whatever you want in this life, all right? And that's what I've noticed, is the moment I got rid of these limitations, I got higher quality women, okay? I got higher quality friends, higher quality, business opportunities, and just life in general got better the moment I started believing that I am entitled to greatness, all right?
And so when it comes to being that confident man that you're capable of being, it's kind of just something you do. You just gotta fucking do it, jump into it. And it's crazy because like your life can literally flip overnight. Like you could live your entire life being shy, awkward, like kind of just like nervous and intimidated, and just like virtually overnight, just decide that you want to be someone who is confident. Decide that you want to be someone who can talk to Stacy for math class, or, talk to that cute Starbucks barista in a respectful, gentlemanly way, right? And now you don't want to be like confident in a way that's imposing on people, because there's two types of confidence. There's like you being confident with who you are internally. Then there's also that, social calibration. We're going to talk about that in the third video. We're going to talk about comfort, calibration, social awareness, things like that as well. But if you want to be confident, it's just something you fucking do. And when you're starting out being confident, it comes down to like really just pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, constantly making sure you're stepping out of your comfort zone in order to, adapt that behavior. Because confidence by far is the number one characteristic any woman finds attractive. You ask any woman, what is like the number one thing you find attractive? Before it's like big penis or beautiful eyes or like nice body. Usually it's like confidence. Why? Because that is a huge determining factor on if you would be a good mate. So if you look at evolutionary theory and biology and kind of just like how humanity developed, a man who's confident, he has the ability to be able to protect his woman, protect his tribe, or whatever the fuck, right? And so by being that confident man, you're gonna be able to generate a lot of success. So when it comes to confidence, that helps you actually accumulate high quality experiences that will make you a high quality man. So if you actually want to see long-term results, you need to continue being confident. What's gonna happen over a long period of time is you start experiencing a lot of things. You step out of your comfort zone, make friends with a cool guy, next thing you know, your best friends, traveling the world. I actually did that with my friend Adrian G. Think about this. You make friends with a random guy. Like Nicholas came up to me in the street 7 years ago?
Yeah.
Back in 2014, right? And we've been friends for fucking years. We lived together for years. We've partied together like crazy. We've had so many amazing growth experiences together, right? And if Nick didn't step out of his comfort zone in order to talk to me, we would never have been friends for all these years, had all these like crazy experiences together, met tons of girls together. Like, oh my God, like the fucking journey we've had is fucking insane. Like it's so crazy when you think about it.
Honestly, yeah.
What would happen if you didn't talk to me, dude?
Honestly, like, my life would have literally shifted into an entirely different direction. Like, for a split second, I'm like, should I go talk to these guys? Like, is it weird if I go talk to them? And then I dropped my ego. I went ahead and I literally introduced myself to you guys just as a warm-up, because I was trying to literally hit on girls at the club. I'm like, fuck it, you know what I mean? Like, if this goes nowhere, it is what it is. It's just a warm-up entirely. Get myself, you know, socially calibrated, whatever, meet new people. Like, I didn't think anything of it, and little did I know I'd be hanging out with you on a weekly basis, to the point where we've been friends for like 6-7 years. So
it's crazy how that works, right? So when you step out of your comfort zone, you're going to be rewarded almost like by the universe or whatever experiences are handed to you with growth. And that is what makes you a high value man. And so we're going to talk about that in the next video. So stay tuned and make sure to check that out as well. You want to become that high value man. You want to become a man of value, a valuable human being, someone with life experience, wisdom under your belt. And that is another thing that makes you incredibly attractive, and that can allow you to meet women holistically, create these win-win dynamics. And just remember, guys, be confident, be that alpha man, be that fucking dude who's killing it. And we'll see you guys in the next part of this video in the next chapter. So we'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Just again, my name is Justin Marc. I love making this content for you guys. If you're new to the channel, what I want you to do is I want you to click the subscribe button and make sure to click the bell notifications so you're notified of new videos. Sorry guys, I'm gonna get back to the party soon. So what I want you to do is I want you to leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm for this video. And I also want you to follow me on all my social media. Link in the description. You can actually message me and I will reply to every single fucking message, or at the very least, I'll read your messages. And yeah, so make sure to follow my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2. Make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms and join my Inner Circle Telegram group. That's awesome. And leave a comment down below if you have any questions at all. And guys, it was great chatting with you guys. I love talking to you guys. So make sure that you are subscribed, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.